I'm Sophia. Today I will introduce the demolition with the sorting line. The demolition with the sorting line consists of the chain feeder, magnetic separator, finger screen, pulse screen, and manual sorting cabin. Chain feeder feeds animals evenly. Magnetic separator select metal straps from the waste mixture. The finger screen realize the pre-front quartz separating. The windsifter is used to separate mixtures in different fractions by weight. The trommel screen used to separate the mixtures into different fractions by size. Manual sorting cabin is used to separate large size metals from mixture. By the process of size screen, weight separating, magnetic separating, and dust reducing, etc., conduct the construction and demolition with the separation.